time, Melanie. No miss. Yes. Yes.
What a good boy. Yay.
Miss. Miss this time. Okay, miss. Fight. Whoa! That was a titty action. Sorry. Put him up.
Good boy. What a good boy.
Tighten up.
Right. It just might, you might be able to acquire it better since they do have a...
Maybe just taking a little tiny detailing brush and put a shot of orange paint.
They make paint for that site.
And just see if it helps me acquire it.
Just run like a Google search. Just put a piece of little tape over the front sight and try one of the colors and see if it's easy to acquire. If it's not, find the one that fits the best. Suits the best.
Well, unless you prep the surface, it won't stay anyway. You pick it up with your fingernail.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Once you find the color you want, then you know what I mean. Then use it. I don't know what if it would adhere to a small piece of tape or something like a piece of like electrical tape or something. If you could just to see. I mean, just in daylight, just to see without shooting to see if you get the sight picture.
I was starting to see finally.
Right. Line them up
through the second box.
Closer here.
I was actually quite surprised. It really didn't get very dirty. I didn't have no smell on my hands afterwards.
Good.
Yeah. Either that or it's just puppy peas dulling my sense of smell.